Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Last year I played Christmas songs on a 12 bass accordion. And someone was asking whether on Accordion Love, we have a Christmas unit, whether those songs are able to be played on a 12 bass accordion. Let me show you how to figure that out. Some songs are, some songs aren't. Let me show you how to figure that out and how to transpose songs so you can play them on a 12 bass accordion. So on accordionlove.com, we have a section called Accordion Christmas Music. I'll click into it, and we have some free songs like Silent Night. The rest are for members only, but I'm going to click into a few. And let's try "O Come All Ye Faithful." I'll pull up the sheet music. We obviously have a video lesson. But the sheet music, I'm looking through these chords, and I'm saying, are there any chords that I don't have on my 12 bass? The 12 bass is A, D, G, C, F, and B flat. So there is an E7 here. So that chord is not playable, which means that instead of playing the song in C, we should be able to play the song if we move it down to F. So we're transposing the song 4 whole notes up. I have a lesson on transposing. Every time you see a C, you're going to play an F. So, "O come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, O come ye to Bethlehem." That sounds good in F. "God rest ye merry gentlemen." Same kind of thing, pulling up the sheet music. I don't care about this E over C, but this E7 I cannot play. So for this song, instead of playing it in A minor, let's play it in D minor. So instead of "God rest ye merry," I'm going to play a D minor anytime I see an A minor. And again, we're moving it up 4 notes up. And every time I see an A, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to play a D minor. So, "God rest ye." That's doable. I'm just going to go through quickly each of them. Silent Night is in the key of C. Silent Night is playable without needing any transposing. Greensleeves, da 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 da, is not possible because of this E flat. So instead, let's play Greensleeves in D minor. We're going to move up 5. Instead of G minor, we're going to play it in D minor. And I don't know if it's possible. Let's see. Instead of G minor, we'll play this in D minor. Let's come back to the song list. "Christmas Time Is Here" is not playable. "We Wish You a Merry Christmas," "We Three Kings," "Little Drummer Boy," "Jingle Bell Rock," "Jingle Bells," and "River." Let's have a look. "We Wish You a Merry Christmas." This one has some beautiful weaving melody, weaving chords, C, F, D, G. This E is not possible, so instead of C, we're going to move it down to an F. "We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." And every time you see an C, you play an F. Anytime you see an F, the one down. B flat, G, C, A, D minor, etc. "We Three Kings of Orient Are," beautiful song. Again, because it's an A minor, we're going to move it to a D minor. "Little Drummer Boy," beautiful song. This one is doable without needing to transpose. "Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock." A lot of the time they're written in keys that are easy for 12 for bigger accordions. This looks good. F minor, C, this looks good. Beautiful. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Let's see. Looking good. Again, I'm looking for keys that are outside for chords. We don't have an E. We don't have an E flat. Looks good. River, Joni Mitchell. Beautiful. It's coming on Christmas. They're cutting down trees. This looks good as well. Wonderful. Here, it's a walk down. So, I realize I'm not reading the sheet music. This should be fine. F to the D minor. I wish I had a river I could skate away on. Nice. Very, very nice. And I think that's it. Christmas Time is Here just has some chords that we cannot express on this. It's not doable. Good. So let me know which songs you're looking to learn. If it's all of them, I'm happy to write the chords down for you. Transposing can be a difficult thing to do. So let me know. I'm happy to show you like the process for 1 or 2 songs. Then you can try them. Or I'm happy to just write on the PDFs what the transposed chords are. It's a little bit harder to transpose the melody, but it's something you can work on. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.